I'm Zihao Wang, an acupuncturist here at Turning Point Physiotherapy in Edmonton. If you're an athlete or someone who loves to stay active, you know how important recovery is to maintain top performance. That's where acupuncture can help. Acupuncture is a powerful tool for speeding up recovery and preventing injuries. By improving blood flow, reducing muscle tension, and boosting your body's natural healing processes, it helps you to bounce back faster and stay injury-free. It's especially useful for common sports injuries like sprains, tendonitis, and muscle strains. I also work with athletes to prevent these issues by identifying imbalances and improving overall flexibility and strength. Whether you're recovering from an injury or just want to stay in peak condition, acupuncture is a natural, effective way to support your active lifestyle. At Turning Point Physiotherapy, we're here to help you achieve your goals, become stronger, faster, and healthier than ever before.